all, this is DS Infobus. Today we are going to unbox skmie 1016 analog digital watch, and we will also have a look into our various specifications. So first, unbox it. As you can see, I have already opened the cover to check the product. So first we open it. Generally you may find this watch around 600 to 700 rupees. There are various color variants. Here we have black golden. You can see it's a operating manual. Paper. So here is the watch. skmie tag here. So it's a black golden color, and its dial size is 44 mm by 48 mm. We'll cross check whether it is exactly 44 by 48 mm or not. So we have a scale here. The measurements, it's here. So it's around 48 to 50 mm. And this side it's around 44 to 46 mm. So it looks nice. Second thing, it has a very transparent resin glass. It's not a mineral glass, it's a resin glass, plastic base. It's a plastic glass. And then company claims it is a waterproof up to 50 meter, and its weight is 67 grams. It's almost 67 grams of weight. It has a dual lock mechanism. So first we have to open this. We have to open this buckle then. Okay. First we remove this tag. Easy for us. Okay. So it's all plastic, only the back cover is SS, and this lock mechanism is SS, and this belt is also of plastic. This golden color case is also of plastic. This crown and these buttons are of SS. So try it on my hand. So build quality is good, it's very lightweight and worth to have it in this price segment. Thank you very much.